करने का तो बहुत
12 सेकंड हो चुके।
हेलो।
लाइट चलो।
हाँ
हेलो।
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Let me show you the sunrise first. Wow, do you see that? It's right up there and directly staring at me. I'm finding it very hard to keep my eyes open, by the way. Okay, well, I managed to find a place wherein I can sit slightly. Okay, or let me make this adjustment first. Okay, I think that's not gonna work because sun is right up there on my face, but I really love it. And yeah, by now you know that I am not in Bangalore. I am in Kodaikanal. Kodaikanal um is is like a is a hill station which is close to Bangalore. So it is approximately 9 hours away from Bangalore by road. Since it was a long weekend, the idea was कि थोड़ा आसपास जाते क्योंकि कहीं दूर जाना इज मतलब उसके लिए लंबी प्लानिंग लगती है, पर ये जो शॉर्ट ट्रिप्स होते हैं ना इज व्हाट आई हैव थॉट अबाउट इट बाय द वे कि इफ till the time I am in Bangalore, I would like to explore the places that are close to Bangalore. मतलब आसपास छोटे मोटे trips जो होते हैं. 2 reasons: it's not very expensive, and secondly, you only need 2-3 days for such trips, so you don't need to take long leaves from your work. And this is a very nice getaway. See how the sun is exactly on my face, but I love this. So where do I begin? The first time I am sitting here to record is actually the last day of this trip, and I have had very peaceful time, very good food, Italian plus North Indian. So it was always Italian during lunch, and then North Indian during dinner time because we love North Indian and we want our original food. There are actually 2 kinds of tourists, if I can tell you from my understanding. One who get up in the morning and they have to cover each and every spot that is there, or visit every place that is there in Kodaikanal. And the other kind is the me kind, who is like, I am here to have a good time, I am here to relax, take a breather, enjoy the sun, and just malab, sit and chill and visit a few places that I want to, not because there are touristy places, also because these are the places that are extremely crowded, and if you want to somewhere avoid that crowd, you can pick and choose places like I did, which you will see in the video as in the next few minutes. But Kodaikanal is basically a place with lots of mountains, so amazing views. At the same time, good food, and there's a lake on top of the mountain. By the way, guys, hair is herring. Do you see how? मतलब I love this look. और पता है क्या होता है? Whenever I get up in the morning, no, my hair will look so nice on most mornings. But जब actually बाहर जाना होगा ना, तो पता नहीं क्या ही हो जाता है कि then somehow मैं कुछ भी कर लूँ ना तो अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. Which happened in this trip also, by the way. But I was carefree. I was like कि ठीक है यार, होने दो. नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है. Here where I'm sitting, this is a small garden. Let me show you the garden. See. This is a very small, cute garden wherein there's a lot of greenery in Kodaikanal. Obviously, मतलब full पहाड़ and extremely green. And but so यहाँ के ऐसा feel होता है कि you're breathing good air. मतलब इससे अच्छे से oxygen आ रही होगी. And that feels really good. All I wanted was a weekend getaway where I could just chill and eat food. That's exactly what I've done. You're gonna see that very soon. But let me tell you 2-3 important things that if you're traveling to Kodaikanal, you should know about this. The first thing is there is a e-pass that you can download, because number of vehicles entering Kodaikanal has increased tremendously. I want to restrict that. So for that, you go to their website. Here I've mentioned the link. You visit that, and over there you can apply for an e-pass and you will get it. And secondly, when you actually enter Kodaikanal, no, at that time you cannot, post that, you cannot take any plastic with you. They have banned plastic very seriously. So if you have bottles and everything lying there, you will have to throw it away, because later on in the city, when they check your vehicle, if they find even a single bottle, each bottle they will charge you 500 rupees fine. So be careful. When you come to the city, here you get 5-liter bottles only. There is no option of 1 liter, 2 liter, anything. 5-liter bottles only. I think it's a myth or something, but before coming here, a lot of people told me that Kodaikanal gets shut at 6 o'clock. Which somewhere did make sense to me. I thought पहाड़ है, अंधेरा हो जाता तो बंद हो जाता होगा जल्दी, but that's not true here. You can always every night we have been coming back after 10 o'clock and we have been able to do that. So ऐसा कुछ होता नहीं है. But okay, now let's just get into the video and you will see all the things that I have done up until now. This was my room, a very cute little room. So as we enter, first thing is the washroom. This was also very nicely maintained, very clean. However, the best part of this room was the balcony. Let me just show you the view. Wow, this is full mountain view, and this is where I just go to the balcony and see. This is what I'm seeing. I mean, I would want to see this view when I get up in the morning. It's beautiful. We were really hungry when we reached there, so our first stop was George's Gourmet Kitchen. This guy is from Russian, based out of Hyderabad and now settled in Kodaikanal. He has hired women from Kodaikanal, so he has trained all of them, and they are the ones who now make such delicious pizzas. It is freshly baked, and this was more like an open kitchen wherein we were also sitting there only, and the pizza was being cooked right in front of us. This was lovely small plants that he had planted. Look at that pizza. Oh my god, it was so soft. You know that feeling when you eat pizza, you feel so heavy after having it? This is not that pizza. We felt so light yet full. It was, and each bite felt so fresh. That's just me and my friend. Me enjoying the coffee and she loving the pizza. It was so good, and since we were very hungry, taste और better हो गया. By the way, they also sell these sauces. They make it in-house. So we have chili paste, we have smoky barbecue. Even the tomato ketchup was homemade. Hello, there is something that you should know. This is one thing that we did. So like I told you, Bangalore to Kodaikanal is 9 hours. ठीक है? तो but we wanted to avoid all the traffic. तब जाके 9-10 hours में you reach, especially because somewhere you'll either take your lunch break or breakfast break. तो वो stoppage की वजह से 10 hours पकड़ो. तो what we did is we left at 3 a.m. तो रात के टाइम Bangalore city से you can quickly there's an insect. There are, I don't know, I think I am attracting insects क्योंकि yesterday also, you know, पूरे दिन में 5-6 बार ऐसा हुआ that there was some insect on me only. Insect ऐसे नहीं, एकदम छोटे छोटे वो. But anyway, that's not what I was talking about. हाँ, so we left at 3 AM to avoid all of the traffic. और पता है उसमें ना फटाफट जब गाड़ी निकलती है ना, तो you actually have fun in that also कि हाँ यार चलो हम निकल रहे हैं, जल्दी से पहुँच जाएंगे, and the road trip also becomes fun. So the idea is leave at odd hours, ठीक है? So that you are able to avoid the traffic. Another thing, if you do all the touristy thing ना, तो ये छोटी सी कोड़े कनाल में you will find so much traffic कि वो किसी भी जगह पहुंचने में itself you will take like 30 minutes or so. तो ये सब avoid करो. So go to which you will see in the video. Plan your trip such a way that you avoid these things. ठीक है? And I hope somewhere in the video you are able to figure out कि wherever I'm going वहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा crowd है नहीं. So that makes the trip much more fun. Walk this side. This is where our rooms are. So there are 2 rooms in there, and this place entirely belongs to us. So we can just sit on the table, chill, do whatever we want, and so this space is completely ours, which is something that is rare when you come to hotels. But we got it, and it has a nice view also. And this is something that I really loved about it. Although let me tell you, अब तक हमने यहाँ chill नहीं की है. But it's a nice space to have if you're just staying in the hotel and you want to chill. This is a good spot. One of our lunch spots was this Altaf Cafe. It's very famous and it's on top of the mountain. यहाँ से view बहुत ही प्यारा लगता है. But this shuts down at 6 PM. So if you want to eat here, come before that. Hello, this is officially the end of the trip. Let me show you the view from. So we have a balcony here, but let me also show you the view from this window. That's our view. By now you guys know this pouch. This is my everything pouch, and in this trip I haven't really done makeup per se. Chill trip, so I got very few items, mostly skincare, and that also not complete. I'm basically getting ready to head out for the breakfast. The breakfast here is South Indian, and that's exactly what I love. Idli dosa में मुझे मज़ा आ जाता है breakfast करने में. And you know, somehow I am the bread jam person also. तो idli dosa और bread jam मुझे मिल जाए, I'm happy. I'm a happy person. This is from Hyphen, Kriti Sanan's brand. It's all over the internet, and I like it. But not a fan really. Maybe it really depends from skin to skin, but if I have purchased it, I'm gonna use it. And generally I use it ऐसे randomly. This is not my everyday moisturizer, so इसलिए ये trip पर आया है. I have really dry skin, so I like to put in good amount of moisturizer. I want to feel that hydration. See, now my skin looks so much better and healthier. इसके पहले तो ऐसा लग रहा था कि जान ही नहीं है skin में, which also means that I need to take care of my health. So it's a reminder for you as well. Take care of your health. I'm gonna try to do it. You do it too. This is a 5 rupees Vaseline. That is the best thing that I own, क्योंकि इससे सब काम हो जाता है. I'm just gonna have breakfast, and like I said, today this is almost the end of the trip. So after this we're just gonna go back. It's a Sunday, so this getaway was very short, but the perfect getaway that I needed. Kodaikanal, I would suggest it's a nice place if you want to come here for a day or two. A day is less. 2 days is a good time. it's a good number of days to come. So wearing very very comfortable clothes. गाड़ी में बैठना है, long hours of sitting. तो अच्छा, by the way, you know, I'll tell you something. When the moment, a night before this trip, I started experiencing pain on my left leg. इतना पेन हो रहा था ना, and this is something that I experienced last year also, and I had showed it to an orthopedics, and he told me it's because you're sitting for long hours in office. तो वो जो transition होता है ना, campus to corporate, that has not treated you very well. तो long hours sitting से my nerve on my back is, you know, how do I say it? It's getting pinched. So the nerve that goes, that is connected from my back to my left leg, that has been paining a lot. And this started just one night before the trip. So I was like कि I was like कि यार ये तो पहाड़ वाली जगह है, यहाँ तो चलना भी पड़ेगा. What if we decide to do go on a trek as well? Luckily we didn't. होता तो मेरे तो लग जाते.